Okay guys, I was just wandering around, walking like this, and also there was something else I wanted to show you, but it's a natural funnel. Let's see what happens if I find a little stick. Let's find one. Okay guys, I found a stick. Let's see what happens if I drop it in there. Oh look, it's getting sucked down. But it came back up. Look, the whirlpool's reforming. Now let's let it drift in there. Drift on in there. Look, it's so cool how it does it. They clear this off so it'll be a bigger whirlpool. Okay guys, the stick got sucked through to the other side and I watched it come out. What I actually wanted to see was, is that a bird's nest? Let's go see. I'm gonna teleport to right there in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're here. And yes, it is. You guys can see him, but I can't. Look, it is a bird's nest. Right above water, bad choice. If the little babies jump out of the nest, they're gonna drown. You can tell how this cave was flooded when this was really bad. Okay guys, peace out.